Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I want to prepare moringa tea. This is my moringa powder. How we prepare it is on my YouTube channel, so join me as I'm about to prepare it. This is hot water. So I want to sieve it. This is moringa tea. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment. Moringa tea have a lot of health benefits. It's nice and it's very medicinal and powerful. Okay, so I want to take small and see. This is it's not bitter. Wow. Thank you very much. Bye bye.